Okay, last class you learn about I just to share the photos for your reference. Yeah, don't waste the food, recycled food waste to make a poster. Yeah, this class also we're going to learn about what are the food icons. Yeah, and I'm also going to draw one picture for your reference. How to recycling the food to make a posters. Yeah, nowadays we are wasting the lot of foods. No, so how to recycling the food, and I am going to share the photos for your reference also, and my video also. Okay, dear. Take your art note, pencil, eraser with you. Okay, dear. Shall we start now? Just to write the heading, food icons. Okay, dear. Write a date, like write the date, food icons topic. Okay, dear. Now I'm going to draw the simple ones for your reference. See here. Pen is visible for you, dear. That's why I'm taking the pencil pen, dear. I'm not using the pen like that. This one is a different food way. It's a mutton, yeah, flesh. Okay, dear. It's a food such. Is a one type of meat flesh. Yeah, this one, and you know, leg piece. Yeah, is a different one. Egg, cheese, like that. Berries, yeah, leaf, berries, strawberry, yeah, dear, visible. Yeah, one more is like that. I have to draw the different one. Cherries, apple. I have to draw the apple. Okay, dear. Lemon, apple, lemon. Any fruits. Just is the icons. What is the food icons? Banana. One more things. It's a corn. Tomato, like that. Okay, detailedly I share the images for reference also, baby, don't worry. Next one, we go with recycling the food waste. Don't waste the food. Okay, dear. Okay, take fresh page. Okay, I take the fresh page here. Yeah, baby, you centrally have to draw the recycling bin. Okay, just to draw the standing line, curve, like that. Okay, dear. It's like the cylindrical shape, like that. What? Top side, like that. You have to draw. One more things, you have to draw the like that. You have to draw the arrow mark here. Like that, you have to draw the images here. That is a V shapes, A shape, like that. Have to draw neatly, baby. I holding to draw, that's why I can't draw properly. You draw neatly, babies. Okay, now you have to vegetables, fruits, any meat, non-veg items also is come under the recycling food habits. Okay, dear. Just you have to writing the recycled food waste. Recycled food waste. Write the date and recycled food waste. Wait. This is a fish bone. Draw the fish bone also. Okay. Then you have to draw the banana shapes. Then you have to draw the this is the outer layer of the orange peel. Like that. Someone bite the I can't hold it to draw the image properly. Okay, dear. Okay, visible for you. Apple, cheese, so you have to draw the some non-veg and vegetables and fruits also have to draw. This is the just you have to draw the lines. Just to draw the line. It's come under the recycling habits. Okay, dear. Like that you have to draw food icons and recycled